This isn't just wood, it's a second chance. In places like Gaza, Congo, Yemen, and Syria, war doesn't just destroy buildings. It takes childhoods, limbs, hope. But here in this little workshop, with nothing but reclaimed wood and a purpose, we're building hope. We're just a few friends who love woodworking. We saw what was happening to children overseas and decided to do something. The tools were old. The wood was salvaged. But the mission was real. We can't stop the bombs. But we can do this. Wood prices are going up. Tariff wars, inflation, and still we keep building. Thanks to reclaimed wood and a little affiliate program that helps cover the cost. If you love woodworking, and you've ever wondered if your skills could mean more, they can. Help us build hope. Watch. Share. Get the free plans, and if you can't build, spread the word. Thank you.